Isiyilishumi manje iminyaka uLesego Torch Shabalala, uSipho Six Busakwe kanye noLebogang Lloyd Montsho benza lemgilingwane ngebhola. Laba bangani bamagange balungiselela ukuyomela eNingizimu Afrika esigabeni sokuhlungela ifinal yomqhudelwano iWFFA Pearls eAlgiers eAlgeria.
For now, it's still online qualifications and we have qualified already. So it's last 32 whereby they are looking for only 16 participants to go there and compete for the African status. So we definitely need sponsorships as to help us get some of the things such as accommodation that side.
Yini oyidingayo ukuze ube ngumpetha kulomdlalo?
All you need is a ball. I think into eziningi. And then ukusifundisa at some point in time. Sure. Sanokushaya istyle esiyi-1. 2 months yonke. You can imagine. Ne, mawusozibamba uba kanjani. Leyo nto on its own it teaches you it installs discipline.
Lezi insizwa bezilolongela lomqhudelwano esikhungweni egcina umlando wombhikisho wabafundi ngo1976 ngoNhlangulana womhla zili-16 eSoweto.
Ekasi where I'm from but they don't care about June 16 and it's a day of the youth, but all they just know is to go and have party, but they don't have they know that the past is still with us, but all they know is to go and have fun, and they're gonna end up doing wrong things.
Zikhathazekile ngendlela intsha ebungaza ngayo usuku lwayo uJune 16. Kulesigaba kuzokube kuqhudelana abadlali abayili-16 kanti abayisishiyagalombili babo ngabesifazane. Lesi sigaba esandulela amanqamu efinal yomqhudelwano iWorld Freestyle Football Championship sobanjelwa khona eAlgiers eAlgeria mhla zili-18 kuMfumfu nonyaka. Usuku lwamanqamu alukanqunywa.